Beehive bother.
She should be here very soon. I hope she's fine alright. Hello people, how you been? I've been alright, thank you. But I'm just waiting on for Queen Beth at the moment. She's she's asked me to help her building her a new beehive, but it might take a while. I'm not a bee myself, but she just wants my support to help her out during her difficult times. She should be here about in at least a minute. She'll be coming into my house and then she'll take me to her hive, which was destroyed. And she wants me to help her out to find a new place to build a new hive before the winter begins. She should be here in a minute. Oh, there she is. I can see her now. Let's go and open my window. There you go, Queenie Beth. Now you can land and come into my house. Hi, Queenie Beth. So, any luck on trying to find a new home yet for your bees and your worker bees and for yourself?
I not had any luck on finding a new home for my workers and myself. That's the reason why, if you got time, that you ride on me to help me out find a new location for a new beehive.
Yeah, I'll definitely ride on you and I'll give you some ideas of where can we find a new place for your new home. It's a bit of a bother, isn't it, that your beehive was destroyed? I bet your workers got really angry, I bet.
My workers was indeed furious when our home was destroyed. It was done by European Hornets. So I was wondering if you're ready to ride the skies with me. I hope you can find a perfect place for me. You're my only hope.
Yeah, I'm ready to go as you are, Queenie Beth. I think my door's locked so nobody can come into my house when I'm not around. Let me get on you, and then let's see if we can find you a new home to live. Or, maybe if you want to, maybe you can build your beehive around at my house. What about that?
That sounds like a marvelous idea, Lewis. But the only problem is, my workers might mistake you as a threat to them. I don't want any of them to sting you.
Yeah, that's a good point actually. I don't want your workers to mistakenly as an intruder. Well, there is an option at least. You can build your beehive around at my house if you really wanted to. I mean, you've been here before. But let's see if we can find one in more of the wildlife, where that's more of your habitat, isn't it?
Exactly.
Come on then, let me get on you, and let's ride off.
None of these spots are good enough for my workers to fly over and back every day. It needs to be somewhere, more like in a bigger woodland, Lewis. Let's keep looking.
What about at this waterfall, Beth?
No. Too noisy from the river.
What about the mountains?
Too risky for my workers due to weather conditions.
What about at Sailor Lucy's lighthouse? This has gotta be the spot.
Too open, around here. I'm sorry for making this situation tricky for you, Lewis. I just want to make my workers happy. Because when I get older, they'll need to keep me warm and looked after when the day I retire comes.
I completely understand you, Beth. And I can tell from your beehive, it looks very destroyed. Let's keep looking.
Queen Hornet Henna, your workers destroyed my home.
So, Queen Bee Beth, we meet again.
So you think it's acceptable to destroy my own beehive because my workers destroyed your home? Your workers destroyed my home first.
Uh-oh.
And your workers destroyed mine. How very dare you of your own kind to take advantage of my hive. It took me about 40 days to build it and giving birth to my own workers. I will never forgive you for that.
Lewis, could I land you for a minute? I need to teach this hornet a lesson.
Okay then.
Don't you dare insult my workers, and don't you dare either blame my own children of your property. I tell them what to do. My mother died because of your family. I'm a much more powerful queen than you'll ever be, Beth.
Oh really? Well, I hope this lesson is very educational for you, Henna. Because you're going to need it.
What are you doing, Beth? You think you're better than I am? Pathetic if you ask me.
And I thought Jonathan Jack was the worst villain I met.
This is bad. Very bad indeed.
Take this. This is for killing my mother and destroying my home, Beth.
Ouch. That hurts.
Ugh. You vile witch.
That's enough, you two. This is unacceptable behavior of the both of you. Not only disturbing the residents, but also assaulting each other is completely bang out of order, and destroying each other's home is property damage. I am placing the both of you under arrest.
Please, Aditi. Just take me to jail. I started the fight because of my anger and frustration on Queen Bee Beth. It's my fault that we're in trouble. Please don't arrest Beth.
Why are you saying this, Hannah?
Because it's at least one way I can say sorry to you.
Very well then. Queen Hornet Hannah, you are under arrest for public disturbance. You'll be in jail for a month.
Well, I really don't know what to say.
I know. I feel kinda sorry for her.
Good luck with your new home, Queen Bee Beth. I'll see you soon. Wow. What a day, I have to say. Would any alien or Rob Robot know about that girl and Queen Hornet Hannah? Maybe. Maybe one of them knows about the girl or Queen Hornet Hannah. I'm gonna go over to Paul's apartment, ask about to Andy or Rob to see if they would know about that mysterious girl or they know anything about Queen Hornet Hannah. You tune in next time and I'll see you on another episode. For now, bye bye everybody. Bye bye. See you next time and do well in life. I hope Queen Bee Beth does okay after all of that hoorah in a while. I hope Queen Hornet Hannah won't take anything too personally next time. See you soon. Now, let's see if Andy or Rob Robot knows about this.
I just want to say to you, Tamanda, that you made a good first attempt to make an advert. But you will improve over time at my apartment.
I know for sure, Matilda. What was the best bit of my advert to you?
I would say, the color schemes like the aqua and yellow together. I'm pretty sure that you'll become a professional swimmer as well as being advanced in other sports and athletic skills.
Matilda? There's a sailor that wants to see you in private.
I know who that will be. Tamanda, great job today and keep working on your editing skills for your next advert review.
Matilda, I've been wanting to see you. There's something important I need to discuss with you about.
Hi Sailor Lou. I have never seen you here before. So what is it you want to chat about that's private?
Well, it's nothing too concerning, but I want to ask you a question based on a mysterious girl.
You can do, but I don't know much about this girl though. But I'll try to recognize her if I can.
That's where my brother is right now. Sailor Lou. I can't wait to see you soon.